Hi everyone. In this lesson, we are going to talk about very important lesson, and I hope everyone can be interested in our lesson today. What is our topic today? We are going to talk about how to improve your speaking. Some people they are shy. Don't be shy. First of all, we have to ask ourselves why we are shy. We are shy because we are going to tell a new language that will make ourselves shy. But when we gonna to talk about a new language, we have to say something funny. When people entrust to our funniest and going to laugh, totally you will be with them, you will focus with them, and you will be shyness. And speaking a new language also, you don't like to talk, maybe you don't like to tell a new language, that why make you shy about other people. So in the next point, I will tell you how to overcome your shyness. Number one, just say hi. When you are working over, or when you are in hanging out, you are walking out home or downtown. If you face any new foreigner people, you have to say hi to them, and totally people will reply to you with a hi, what's your name? For example, my name is Jane. Where are you from? I am from China. So, and totally will interrupt, or you will going to enter to them, and you will be childless. Also, choose your topic. Choose your topic. I mean to choose the topic which you interest to talk about. Don't choose the difficult topic that make you up doing the mistake, or you will feel mistake. So just choose easy topic you can talk easily and without any shyness. Get a job. When you are going to find a job or looking out the job, totally you will speak and no one can help you, and you will be shyness. At that moment, you will try to confess yourself you are speaking that language, whether English or other language. You are looking for job, and so try to speak that language. The people can understand you. You are able to speak that language, and you will find yourself confidence. Also, travel alone. Whenever you want to try to talk, whenever you want to try to travel to other language, to other countries, so travel alone. Don't go with the people, or your friend can help you. Just try to help yourself, looking for restaurants, looking for a toilet, looking for a new friends. So this will make yourself confidence, and immediately you can speak English fluently easily. Don't be like me. Try to confess yourself you are speaking language. So this is the important points today I want to point it out, that, and I hope everyone can improve his or her language. Don't be shy. And thank you very much for following our videos, and go to our channel YouTube you will find really channel, and you can subscribe to help us, and bye from now.